Hello guys, how are you? Well, of course, we will discuss today how to draw a action figure for the manga. Okay, so we have here, of course, the dashboard for our Adobe CC Animate, and of course, well, you can use also other software like, for example, the Photoshop, or you can use this Adobe Illustrator. Now we have this dashboard, and we're using this tool. We have the brush tool, we have the fluid brush tool, and we have here the paint brush tool. So at the right side, of course, these are the properties. This is how we adjust and of course we arrange the flow of our tools right here. Now, as you can see, I have already here the drawing for that. And this is how to create action figure in Manga. Okay, let us continue this thing. So I have here this, the light outline for the drawing, and we need to clean this up. All right, how to do that? Okay, so as you can see, the detail for the drawing is not quite complete, but again, just for the demonstration, we have to teach the beginners how to project the manga drawing. Okay, okay, let us start. So we're gonna use the paint tool. Same time, this is a pressurized brush type of action. Okay, so we press Control plus here. Okay, and then we can use different options right here. So we can use a different shapes for the tool. For example, if we need to create a thick and thin type of drawing, we can use this. Okay, okay, all right, that's it. All right, let us press the hand tool. So it is a bit different if we use this brush option. It will create a thick and thin drawing. Now, if you want to go back to the previous shape, then you can click the circle. Okay, so we have here the circle or the oblong shape, and look, okay, you can see the difference. All right, so let us go back right here. Okay, we can put more details right here. Okay, and then this is very important, how to draw the hands. So we can put right here. Okay, now let us press the Control minus. This is to see all the things that we have done. We can view all the things that we have done right here, and then we press again Control plus. Okay, now this is the face of the manga expression. We can modify this a bit. All right, and then we can erase this. Okay, so we need to provide a bit detail type of drawing right here. So we have the nose, and we have here the eyebrow. Okay, expression is extremely important, especially if you are doing this action figures drawing. Okay, let us press Control minus. Let's go back right here. Let us finish this. Okay, you can go back right here if you want for the thick and thin drawing. Then, of course, you have here. Okay, so this is my favorite part, the thick and thin style, providing details. Okay, then let's go right here to the hands, Control plus. You need to press Control plus if you're using the old version of your Adobe Flash. Well, of course, this is a bit the same to your Adobe Animate. Okay, we have to put the hands right here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so what's next? Well, of course, we need to now draw the direction of this drawing is a bit simple. You have these directions of your drawing. Okay, as you can see, we emphasize the motion, the action of this drawing. Look at that. So that's how we do it. Okay, proportion and balance is the key to create an action figure drawing. Okay, let's continue. Let us dig it up. Okay, so we have here, we go back right here. Okay, this is so thin. We go back again right here, or maybe this. Okay, that's so thin. We go back at the top, or this one. You can do lots of experimentation right here. So the minimum size of my brush is 1, so I'll make it 2. Okay, go back at the top. If you want to make it thicker, then you just adjust the size of your brush right here. Okay, so this is it. That's it. So let's put some details to the clothes, to the pants. Okay, now we have here. Then we go back at the top again. Then let us, provide this shadow or blocks. Okay, then speed line. Okay, this is speed lines. So that's the option only. If you watch my previous video, we are doing these blocks compositions of different hatches. This is the crosshair hatches. We have also the slanting hatch, the reverse slats hatch, and of course we can create solid hatch by means of the shadow. Okay, this is an example. We have done that before. Let us remove that. So for the details again, well, of course you can come back right here and then choose again your classic brush options. Maybe we can use this. Okay, so we have there combinations of, but not only for the manga, but the combinations of your um, Western style drawing. Now there you have it. So we have here the manga drawing with us, and let us now complete this for the background. Okay, we need to create thick type of brush right here. Okay, so we have here thick type of drawing. Well, a thick drawing is extremely useful, especially if you're doing the inking. Okay, that's the purpose of thick drawing. I love black. Okay, black is very classic type of color. Okay, so we need to go back right here at the top. And then can use this thing. Okay, so they have it. So we have here the finished product of our manga action figure drawing. If you look at it, if you want, okay, how to start with this drawing? It's very simple. All you have to do is to start first with, let us create another layer. So we have 2 layers right here. And I've used the light color to create my drawing. Like for example, if you want to create the another character, the opponent. So how to do that? It's very simple. You start first with, of course, with a thin type of brush shape. Use the lighter color. Okay, for example, we have here the character. Okay, we can still use the circle, and of course, what else? We can use the box, square. Okay, to create our own character. This is to to create proportion and balance to our drawing. Remember, this is the cylinder for the arms. Okay, let us do that. Then this is the back, and of course we have here the arms, right? And we have the lower parts right here. So let us dig it up. Okay. Okay. Now let us. This is the next step is to. Why is it that we have the spear right here? This is to create also the hand. And of course, to create the head, we have here. Okay. So this will be part of our, remember class, anatomy is very important. That's how you create your action figure. Way down to the muscles, that's very crucial. Okay, so as you can see now, we have here the anatomy. So anatomy requires, of course, proportion, balance, the symmetry of the drawing. So we have it right here. If you look at it, well, of course, now you can see that we have following the motion. This is the motion for that. And then we have here the motion for that. Okay, that's the motion of our drawing. So let us remove this thing, and at the same time, let us finish this. Okay, I'm gonna put here the lock. This is not to destroy our sketch, and I will be using this. I'm gonna use this layer to ink this up. So, question: what is the best classic brush for this drawing? Well, it depends also. Okay, for me, I'm using the thick and thin drawing. Let us use this. Okay, so the size is 1, but we need to change this to 2. Okay, all right. This will create an impact to the character, the manga character. Okay, so let's say we have here. Okay, choose first the color. So we have here. Okay, let us change this to 1. Okay, let us focus this a bit. Remember, this is just like a back view. Okay, of the drawing. Then we have here the neck. Okay. So this is now your manga for the side view. Okay. And then what's next? Part of the exaggeration is to create the head. Okay. Use your imagination. Or maybe we can erase this. This is part of the side view. Oh, and this is the neck. Let's see what will happen. Then, after that, okay, we will now chisel the body. Okay. Remember the human anatomy, the muscles. This is the muscles actually. So to make it more detailed, you need to press Ctrl plus and go right there in the muscles. Okay. This is it. Okay. You can check my tutorial on manga, basic drawing. Okay, action basic drawing in manga. Okay. You can also use different pictures as your references, but always uh, practice to be independent. Use your hippocampus. I mean, your imagination. So this is the hands. Let us use this. Okay, for thin drawing. Okay, that's the purpose of that. Thick and thin drawing. Okay. This will create more realistic to the muscles. Impact of the force that brings for this character. Okay, then what's next? We create here, we finish the back, and then Okay, we have here shadows for that. All right, that's it. So let's check that. And so we have now this opponent. Let's go back right here and first twist it a bit. Change this to 2. So that's the purpose of the thick drawing. Okay, look at that. So this is the beauty of the digital drawing. Okay, here. Okay, this is no. Then, okay, put more speed lines right here. All right, that's the purpose of the blocks. Okay, that's it. So we're almost done with our drawing right here for the basic action comics figure drawing. Okay, this is for the manga drawing now. We'll use the thick line right here. Okay, or thick line. This is too much. We can use 6 only. And then we have to cover this. Okay, nose cup. Okay. And put speed lines. So that's it. So we have this product right now for the action figure drawing. Okay, let us fix this first. Okay, we have a bit problem in the nose. So let's go back here and then change this to 1. We can choose this. Then that's it. So we have the manga. Right. Now we have here the finished manga drawing, action-based figures drawing here. Okay, so if you have questions or comment about this thing, of course, you can go to my description below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.